Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for taking time out to be here. My name is Ashish. I'm Product and Marketing Head for Intain. According to IDC, companies are spending 550 billion US dollars to enhance their customer experience. But all of these journeys are broken if there is a document in the workflow. Another biggest challenge which companies are facing that most of the solutions out there are template independent. Keeping these challenges in mind, we have launched Indy, which is an AI-powered digital assistant, which has an active learning module to it, and are helping our customers to classify, digitize, and extract information and data from the documents which come in their workflow. These documents can be structured and unstructured. To show you how we are helping our customers and making their automation journey successful, I'll take you through the demo. So this is our banking use case. So two things I'll clarify before I start the demo. So this is a UI which works in the backend. So we have a solution which can easily integrate with your current apps, web-based applications, or chatbots. So you don't need to change any of the workflows which you currently have. Another thing which I would like to tell you that I will be showing multiple use cases to just make you understand that we can actually read and extract information from any of the documents which your teams are currently manually entering the data from into your systems. So let's start. So what I'm doing over here is I select 4 IDs for the bank, and I'm not telling the system that which ID it is. So there are multiple checks at the back end which our engine would be able to do. It will be able to classify that the document is correct or not. If you have asked for Emirates ID, the customer has uploaded Emirates ID or not. So you don't have to, back office checks it afterwards and find out that the document is incorrect. Another thing which engine would be able to check that the image quality of the document is right or not. Apart from that, there are multiple validation which we run in the backend to which one of them is cross-validate the information, and another one is to cross-validate the information from the government databases. So when I do classify, so the system is now doing all these checks and making sure that the documents which are being uploaded are correct. So while the system does that, there is another thing which we have add on to this. So you have multiple vendors for your KYC solution. You have multiple vendors for your loan application solutions. We are one product for all your problems. So the engine has identified that this is Aadhaar front, this is passport back, and this is passport front. So I'm showing you the Indian IDs, but UAE IDs we also can do it in within a week or 2 times because the common engine which sits below in our platform is actually understanding what it has to extract from the documents, and it's very powerful. So once I click on digitization, so the digitization is complete, and now it has extracted all the information and has given this on the platform. So you can actually fill those loan application forms or your online application forms easily. So both the things can be done simultaneously. And now another use case which I'll show you is, this is the bank statement of a customer which the system has been able to read. And as soon as I submit it, so I can easily download it. And also, the whole customer bank statement has been read by the system and has been shown to the bank that this is what the credit feasibility of the customer look like. So you have onboarded your customer, you have understood his credit feasibility, his credit worthiness. You can upsell and cross-sell your products then and there. Let's move to the another use case, which is an invoice use case where we'll upload an invoices. So people from the financial departments can understand and appreciate that invoices are the one document which comes in various shape and sizes. So it's very hard for the products which are very template-based to actually read these documents, and most of these products fail then and there. So, but we as a product, we do not look for the information in right and left of the document. We look for the information wherever it is. So the engine knows that it has to extract the invoice number. It will look for the invoice number anywhere in the document. And after that, immediately after that, it will be able to give a confidence score to the executive who is sitting at the back end that this is what a confidence score according to me looks like. If the confidence score crosses 100%, then you can remove the validation phase and you can directly go to the dashboard and see that the batch has been uploaded and the confidence is green. That means it has been able to extract the complete information with full confidence. Now we move to the next use case, which is an insurance use case where we are working with an insurance company. So hospitals send, when they send a claim, they send multiple documents within the folder. So there is an important task which Triagers has to do is to identify which document collects what information. So they look for multiple data points from multiple documents. So in this particular use case, we have to identify a particular discharge summary from those documents and also identify which ailment it caters to. So as soon as I upload the discharge summary, it will be able to give me that, yes, this is what the ailment looks like to it. So there are 3 modules which are running at present at the backend that it's classifying, it's extracting the information, and it has given us that this discharge summary caters to the chronic renal failure. So apart from all of this, the benefits of working with us, we are template independent, we do zero-cost implementation, we have a pay-as-you-use model, so that you can realize all those ROIs quickly. Thank you. Do visit us at our booth, and I'll be able to show you what other benefits we can bring to your departments. Thank you.